Hi, my name is Sheldon. Welcome to FreshVu2Go. In this short video, I will show you how to create a customer record, sales order, and generate an invoice to indicate items have been sold and removed from stock. So let's proceed to the Customer Manager to start. To do this, click Contacts, and you'll see a list of all of your existing customers and vendors. I have it filtered right now to just show the customers. If you wanted to drill down to a customer, all you have to do is select it. But in this case, we're going to create a new customer. I'm going to fill in the company name, address, and applicable information. Now that I've entered the company name, the address, email address, and comment, I'm also going to select a sales agent, indicate the currency I plan on utilizing with this customer. I have to select a sales tax profile. This tells the system how much tax to be charged whenever you sell to this customer. If you have not already set up your sales tax profile, make sure to go to Settings and set up your sales taxes. I'm also going to indicate a payment term and a shipping method. Once I'm done, just click Save. Once you've saved your customer, you can add additional contacts just by clicking the default contact link here. You can also associate a profile picture for this contact should you desire. I'm going to click Save. If you do plan on using any of your contacts that you've assigned to your customer as the default, just select it from the drop-down and make sure to click Save in the contact record. This assures that when you complete sales for the selected customer, this contact will automatically be selected. Now that our customer is set up, let's proceed to sales order management and start the process of creating a sales order. To do this, click Sales. The initial screen shows you all of the existing sales orders currently in the system. To create a new one, click the New button. Make sure to select your customer, and you'll notice that the default contact information along with predefined settings in the customer record are automatically inserted. You can enter a comment if you wish, perhaps a purchase order number from your customer. So let's begin adding inventory items to our transaction. Click the Add Inventory Item button. You'll notice the summary list shows you what you currently have on hand in all of your locations for your items. I'm going to select this item here and expand it. Now I'm going to cherry pick and indicate that I wish to sell from this specific location. I'm going to also select some other items as well. And I want to sell this item from this location. And I wish to include this item as well from this location. Once you're done cherry picking what items and locations you wish to sell from, click Insert. This will insert your line items into your grid. You can obviously override the quantity being ordered and the unit price, and enter a unique comment for this item related to just this transaction by typing in a comment here. I'm going to leave everything as is. If you made a mistake and you wish to remove one of the line items from the grid, just click the little delete button here to the very left, and it'll remove it from the row. I'm also going to add a service charge to this transaction. I'm going to charge this customer for some labor. Just select the labor line item and click Insert Charge. You can override the quantity and obviously the price you wish to charge. Once you've entered all of your line items and indicated the freight, along with any other applicable information you want to associate to the sales order, just click Save. Select the sales order template you wish to utilize. And now you can print the sales order or email this sales order directly to your customer. Let's take a quick look at the Customer Manager. You'll notice that that sales order now shows up under Sales Orders in the grid. To drill down to it, you can just click the order number. It's unprocessed. In other words, it has not been invoiced yet. So let's go ahead and invoice this sales order. To do that, just click on Invoice Manager, New Invoice, and although you can create a brand new invoice on the fly by filling out the applicable information, in this case I want to invoice from a sales order. So I'm just going to click the Import from Sales Order icon, select the sales order I wish to import. All I have to do now is just verify the line items that I'm actually invoicing, make any applicable changes. If everything's okay, click Save. Select the invoice template you wish to print, and there's your invoice. You can print it or email it directly to your customer. If we look back at our customer record, you'll notice not only the sales order in the sales order tab, but also the invoice under the invoice tab. You'll also notice that that customer now has an outstanding balance. This concludes my presentation on sales in FreshVu2Go.